Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to save a Google Sheets file as a PDF. So let's get started. Begin by opening the specific Google Sheets spreadsheet you want to save as a PDF. Next, click on the File option in the top menu and choose Download PDF from the available choices. Google Sheets will promptly convert your spreadsheet into a PDF file, which you can conveniently save on your computer or device. This transformation makes your data more accessible and portable, facilitating smooth collaboration with colleagues, clients, or anyone you need to share the information with. Whether it's part for reports, presentations, or data summaries, the PDF format provides a professional and universally compatible solution for sharing your valuable content with others. All achieved effortlessly with a few simple clicks. Embrace this efficient feature to enhance your workflow, improve document sharing, and make your data communication a breeze. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.